In this video, I am going to show you how to fix CapCut, black screen, or video preview. So they should be quick and easy process video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So if you have a black preview of the video you have in the timeline, this is a quick fix. Just go to settings, as you can see. After that, click on this performance tab, then make sure this thing right here is checked out. As you can see, after you uncheck this feature, you can go ahead and click on save and then restart your CapCut. After you restart your CapCut, your preview will work perfectly. If not, just go ahead, reinstall CapCut, and everything will work and the black screen will no longer be available for you. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.